Yep. This is at the Baymont Inn and Suites in, where is this? Thornton?
Like Broomfield or
Thornton.
Thornton, okay.
That sounds great.
Some OG sad.
Over-leveled?
That's because I stepped really hard.
No, it's already a little over-leveled.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
This one has an original floor, but the other one does not.
This one says ThyssenKrupp.
Replaced indicator.
That one's a full digital indicator.
Yeah, that's not common.
I bet it was, yeah.
Probably replaced.
Yeah.
Like, definitely replaced. We should probably just.
In the meantime. Okay.
Classic.
Did not look like the kind of people I wanted to be filming the elevator around.
No.
This place is,
They look like they'd be the ones that would like curse us out and be like.
yeah, that's why I was just
"You
like,
would not get me."
yeah, you had the same idea as me. We were just like,
I don't
let's,
feel like pulling anything up.
yeah.
I'm not in the best position to state anything. Let's get off at 2 and go on this side.
Yeah. This is a very sketchy hotel. Well, we can ride it down to 1.
I don't know. Did the desk lady seem?
No.
I just think it's kind
Yeah,
of.
yeah, 2.
You know? Because this hotel is definitely digital.
This one has the digital indicator as well. Very interesting.
Yeah, I just don't want to be. You know.
Understandable. Yeah, not in this kind of place. Oh, hold up.
Just like.
Oh, look, you'll be able to see the elevator. The door's open. Now it's closing, and then here it's gonna go down.
Oh, you can?
There it is. No, it's not moving. Anyway, that will be it. And there's the chime.
I just got the